Question number 4 in exercise 1.1. If for a given matrix, show that A squared minus 3A minus 7I2 is equal to the null matrix of order 2, and if so, hence find A inverse. So given matrix A is equal to 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2. So for this given matrix, we are asked to show A squared minus 3A minus 7 into the identity matrix of order 2 is equal to the null matrix of order 2. So first we find what is A squared. A squared is equal to A into the A matrix, which is equal to 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2 into 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2. We are going to multiply these two matrices. So multiply matrix multiplication, first row, first column elements. So 5 into 5 gives us 25. 3 into minus 1 gives us minus 3. So we have multiplied the first row and first column. Next we are going to multiply first row, second column elements. So 5 into minus 3 gives us 15. Then 3 into 3 into minus 2 gives us minus 6. So we have multiplied the first row, first column, first row, and the second column, completed the first row elements. Next, multiply the second row with the first column. 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. Minus 2 into minus 1 gives us plus 2. Next, we multiply the second row and the second column. So second row, second column, minus 1 into 3 gives us minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 2 gives us plus 4. So this is equal to 22, 9, minus 3, 1. We have found what is A squared. Now we find what is A squared minus 3A minus 7 into the identity matrix. So A squared is 22, 9, minus 3, 1. Minus 3 times of the A matrix, minus 1, minus 2, minus 7 into identity matrix of order 2, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now this is equal to 22, 9, minus 3, 1, minus 3 into the matrix gives us 15, 9, minus 3, minus 6, minus 7, 0, 0, 7. Now this is equal to, we add all the elements, first elements, 22 minus 15 minus 7. So gives us 0. Next, we add the first row, second element. So plus 9 minus 9, 0 minus 0 gives us 0. Next, minus 3, minus of minus 3 plus 3, minus 3 gives us 0. 1, minus of minus 6 plus 6, minus 7. 1 plus 6, 7, minus 7 gives us 0. So we have first showed that A squared minus 3A minus 7I2 is equal to 0. Next step, we are going to find what is A inverse. So we have showed A squared minus 3A minus 7 times of the identity matrix is equal to 0. For this, we are going to find, from this, we are going to find what is A inverse. So we post multiply both sides by A inverse. So A square is A into A. So I multiply with A inverse. Minus 3 A into A inverse. Minus 7 identity matrix into A inverse. Right side 0 into any element or matrix becomes 0. So here A inverse is equal to I. A inverse we know is equal to I. Identity matrix into the inverse matrix will give us the inverse matrix. So A into I gives us A minus 3 into A inverse is I, identity matrix of order 2 minus 7. A identity with any matrix gives the same matrix. So we get A inverse, right side 0 into A inverse is 0. Now we are going to find only A inverse. So I can take this term to the right, write it as 7 times A inverse is equal to A minus 3I2. Or it can be written as A inverse is equal to 7 times A inverse is equal to 1 by 7 times A minus 3I2. Now A inverse is equal to 1 by 7 into A matrix we know is equal to 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Minus 3 times of the identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. Now this is equal to 1 by 7, 5, 3, minus 1 minus 2, minus 3, 0, 0, 3. Now this is equal to 1 by 7, 5 minus 3 gives us 2, 3 minus 0, 3, minus 1 minus 0 gives us minus 1, minus 2 minus 3 gives us minus 5. So we have found now what is A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by 7 times the matrix 2, 3, minus 1, minus 5.